Now see patterns in whole numbers. We shall try to arrange numbers in elementary shape made up of dots. The shapes we take are 1, a line, 2, second figure we can take a rectangle, third square, and fourth a triangle. So every number should be arranged in one of these shapes. Line, either a line, a rectangle, a square, or a triangle. No other shape is allowed. Okay, let's see. Every number can be arranged as a line. You can see here the number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. In line we can represent each and every number. Some numbers can be shown also as rectangles. For example, the number 6. First row, second row, and column, first column, second, third. So 2 by 3. We can arrange 6. Some numbers like 4 or 9 can also be arranged as squares. 4. Square. All sides are equal. 3 by 3, 2 by 2. Some numbers can also be arranged as triangles. So 2, 3, 2, 1. Note that the triangle should have its two sides equal. First, here all the three sides are equal. But two sides equal. The number of dots in rows starting from the bottom row should be in the descending order 4, 3, 2, 1. The top row should always have one dot. On the top row always one dot should be there. Okay. Children, see here patterns in whole numbers. Important points for dot patterns. Each and every number can be arranged in a line. 1 dot, 2 dots in line. So each and every number we can represent in a line. Now for rectangular form in whole numbers. So general formula is n into n plus 1. You have to, when you will go higher classes, deep study you will do about this. But at present you have to keep in your mind the formula is for rectangular form in the whole numbers is Rn, that means number of n rectangles, n in the bracket n plus 1. Suppose that R1, so in place of n we will put 1. So R1, 1 plus 1, 2. That means 2, number 2 we can represent as a rectangle. Then R2. So in place of n, 2 in the bracket 2 plus 1. So 2 into 2 plus 1. The next number 6 we can represent in the rectangular form. In this way easily we can know that which number will be represented as a rectangular form. Now the formula to arrange whole numbers in square form. So for square number should be square. Sn equal to, simple, Sn equal to n square. So S1, 1 square, 1 into 1. Next number will be 4, 2 square. S2, in place of n we will put 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Next number S3, 3 into 3, 9. So by using this formula we can represent the numbers, or easily we can know that which numbers will take rectangular shape, triangular shape, square shape. Now the formula to arrange whole numbers in triangular shape is in the dot pattern. The general formula is triangle. For t I am using an n, that means whole numbers n plus 1 upon 2, it is the general formula. So t1, that means for number 1 in the bracket 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So 1 into 2 divided by 2. 2 cancel by 2. So 1. That means number 1 we can represent in the triangular form. Then T2. That means in place of n we will put 2. So 2 in the bracket 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 2 into 3 upon 2. Cancel 2 by 2. So 3. That means number 3. Next number will be 3. We can represent in the triangular form. Then T3. 3 in the bracket 3 plus 1 upon 2. So 3 into 4 upon 2. That means 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Next number 6 we can represent in the triangular form, and so on. You can see here. Okay, but always triangular form we arrange the on the top one should be there, and we arrange the number in the ascending order, like 3. So 2 and 1 and 6. So 3 dots, then 2 dots, then 1 dot. Always on the top 1 dot should be there. Now on the basis of the rules we will fill this table. Now complete the table. 1 is a special number, so 1 they are not taking here. Now number 2. Each and every number we can represent in the form of lines. 6 dots you will put, you will form the line. 7 dots, 8 dots. So for each and every number we can represent line in the dot pattern. So yes. Now rectangle. So rectangle, for the rectangle the formula is n in the bracket n plus 1. Children, here we are not using formula. We will draw the pattern. So you can see 2 line is forming. So no. For 3 triangle shape. So no. For 4 square is also one type of a rectangle. So when you will join the dots, square shape you will get, and we can say that square is also one type of rectangle. So yes, for conclusion is that with the odd numbers will not form rectangular shape. So 6, yes. 7, no. 8, yes. 9, no. 10, yes. 11, no. Why? Because these all are odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. For 12, you can see 6 dots you will arrange. Okay, so yes. For 13, no. Now we will check for next shape. Now we will check for square shape. So 2 dots are there, line is forming, triangle is forming. For 3, for square, 2 by 2, when you will join all these dots, so square shape we will get. So yes. 5 you can see we will not get here rectangle, so no. And here if you will form, so definitely you will not get square. For 8 we are not getting. So in short, what we can say, that square number will form square shape. 9 is forming. You can see 3 dots. So 3 by 3. Yes. 10 is not a square number. 11 is not a square number. 12 is not a square number. 13. So next you can predict the number. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4. 4 is forming. 3 threes are 9. So next will be 16 number will form square shape. So these answers are here. You can fill your table. Now for triangle shape, 2. No, easily. Now 2 dots on the base and 1. Yes. Square. No. 5th, 3 dots and 2 dots there, but it is not forming. Now 3, 2, 1. On the top always we will take 1. So yes, we can form. So after 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. And then you can see here 4, 3, 2. 9 is not forming. 10 is forming. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So next number, which number will form? 3 plus 3, 6. 6, 4, 10. So next number we will add 5. So 15 numbers will form the triangle. So no. 12 you can see I have arranged, but it is not forming. 2 dots there and 1 on the top. So definitely 15 will be there. So you will fill the table. Clear? Here you will write yes, no. I have written only yes, no, yeah, why and no. You will not write like this. Okay? You will complete the table. Then which number can be shown only as a line? So this question's answer you will think and then reply. Which can be shown as squares? Already in the online class I explained. Clear? Square number we can show, and each and every number we can show as a line. A square number, that means 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 4, 9, 4 4s are 16. Clear? Which can be shown as rectangles. So rectangles numbers, even numbers we can show in the rectangular form. Write down the first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. So 3 plus 3, 6. If we add in 6, 4. Next number will be 10. So here the difference is 3. Here is 4. Next difference will be 5. Then 6, 7. So 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 7, 21 plus 7, 28. And then you will add next number. So you will form. Some numbers can be shown by rectangles. For example, 3 4s are 2 6s are. Next, 2 7s are 14. So 2 by 7 and 7 by 2 form we can take in the rectangular pattern. But if you will take 16, 4 4s are 16 square, you will get 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are 16. So more than 2 factors if we will choose, then what happens? See, next number 18. 2 9s are 18, 3 6s are 18. So 2 by 9 and 3 by 6. In this way 18, because 18 number is having more than 3 factors. See, 1 is a factor of 18. So 1 we will not take in the number pattern here. Special number, already we told this. Then next number will be 2. 18 is divisible by 2. So 2 and 9 will be the factor of 18. Next number 3 and 6. In this way you will draw. So 5 other such examples you will do and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Now pattern observation. 117 plus 9. We can write 117 plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Again we will get 9. Same way minus 9. So before greater number we will put negative sign. So it will be very easy. When we add this, it will take time comparatively this. Here is one more pattern. 84 into 9, we can write 10 minus 1. 84 into 99, 100 minus 1. And by using distributivity of multiplication over subtraction, we can solve. Now see here. The following pattern suggests a way of multiplying a number by 5 or 25 or 125. 96 into 5. We can write 96 into 10 upon 2. Because 2 5s are 10. So easily we can divide and we can get the answer. And 25 we can write 100 divided by 4. When you will divide 100 by 4, 25 you will get. So 125 we can write 1000 divided by 8. And then 96 into 1000, 96,000 divided by 8. In this way, 15, 30 divided by 2. Rounded off number you will take and then divide. Let us start exercise 2.3. Which of the following will not represent 0? 0 into 0, 0. 2 zeros are 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 0 upon 2, 0. But 1 plus 0 equal to 1. That means option A, 1 plus 0 will not represent 0. Now next question is, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through examples. Okay, let us solve. So in the second question you can see, suppose the number be 9. You can assume any number. So 9 into 0 or 0 into 9. 0 or 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So one number may be 0 or both the numbers may be 0. Now next question is, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. Okay. Answer of this question directly you can write, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, So both the numbers should be 1. Then only the answer will be 1. Otherwise, one number will be different from 1. Suppose then 1 into 2. So answer will be 2. And here it is written clearly, if the product of two whole number is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. Examples I am giving you. Now third question, suppose the number be 7. 7 into 1 or 1 into 7 equal to 7. Here the product is not 1. Now 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So we can say that if product of two whole numbers is 1, then both the numbers should be 1. Now find using distributive property 728 into 101. So 100 plus 1 already I explained. You can solve 1000 plus 1, 824 into 25. I am explaining. Now see here, 824 into 25. 25 we can write 20 plus 5. So distributivity of multiplication over addition. So A into B plus A into C. So 824 into 20 plus 824 into 5. When you will multiply, you will get 16,480 plus 4,120. You will add this, so 20,600 will be the answer. Now D is 4,275 into 125, but E you will solve yourselves. 504 into 35. So 30 plus 5 you can write and then you can solve. So I am solving for you this one. Now see here, 4,275 into 125. 125 we can write 25 already we have written in the previous question, 20 plus 5. So 125, 100 plus 20 plus 5. Now 4,275 into 100 plus 4,275 into 20 plus 4,275 into 5. When you will multiply, you will get this numbers, and after adding, the answer will be this. 5,34,375. Now study the pattern. 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 8 ones are 8 plus 1. Now 1, 2, that means 12 into 8 plus 2, 98. Now next number is 1, 2, 3 into 8. 8 is a fixed number. You can see here. Here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 next will be. So easily you can form. And here 8 is a fixed number. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next you will add 6. Clear? Write the next two steps. Easily you can write. Answer will be 9. Then 9 and 1 less than 9 is 8. Here 9, 8. Less than 1 of 8, 7. 9, 8, 7, 6. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So next number will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So easily you can write. Write the next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? You have to define how. Now fifth question, you can see 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 12 into 8 plus 2 equal to 98. 8 is fixed. 1, 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4. So next two steps will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7. 8 is everywhere. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now answer will be 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So next two steps already I have written. Now working pattern is, hint is given. Greater number, then add. Ascending order you will write. Here 1 is written, so nothing we are writing here. 12 is there, so 11 plus 1 into 8 plus 2. 1, 2, 3. So 3, that means 111 plus 1, 1, that means 11 plus 1. In this way you will complete. It is incomplete. working pattern. You will write here, it is incomplete. Now 5, so 5 times 1 plus 4 times 1, you will write clear, plus 3 times plus 2 times plus 1 plus 5 and answer. Working. Now what have we discussed? The numbers 1, 2, 3 which we use for counting are known as natural numbers. If you add 1 to a natural number, we get successor. Subtract from the number predecessor. Every natural number has a successor. Every natural number except 1 has a predecessor. Keep this in your mind, beta. If we add the number 0 to the collection of natural numbers, whole numbers, the collection of whole numbers, we will get every whole number has a successor. Every whole number except 0 has predecessor. In natural number 1 and in whole numbers except 0. All natural numbers are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural numbers, because in whole numbers 0 is there. We take a line, mark a point on it and label it 0. We then mark out points to the right of 0 at equal intervals. All positive numbers we take on the right hand side. We can easily perform the number operations, addition, subtraction and multiplication on the number line. I taught you how we can represent the addition, subtraction, multiplication. Addition corresponds to moving to the right on the number line, whereas subtraction corresponds to moving to the left side. Multiplication corresponds to making jumps from 0. Equal distance is starting from 0. Adding two whole numbers always gives a whole number. Similarly, multiplication also, we say that the whole numbers are closed under addition and multiplication. Whole numbers are not closed under subtraction and under division. Division by 0 is not defined at all. Now 0 is the identity for addition. When we will add in any number 0, same number we will get as a result. The whole number 1 is the identity for multiplication. You can add two whole numbers in any order, that means commutativity, and multiply in any order. We say that addition and multiplication are commutative for whole numbers. Addition and multiplication both are associative for whole numbers. That means we can shift the bracket. The position of the bracket we can change. Multiplication is distributive over addition for whole numbers and over subtraction also. Commutativity, associativity and distributivity properties of whole numbers are useful in simplifying calculations, and we use them without being aware of them. Patterns with numbers are not only interesting but are useful, especially for verbal calculations, and help us to understand properties of numbers better. Okay, so here the chapter 2 is finished. Now revise the chapter. Okay.